Hey, it's Gary Chappelle, and I just received these ComVox Walkie Talkies. Set of 2 comes in a box, and let's check it out. Oh, these are really cool. Very small, compact. Ooh, yellow. And they come with a USB charging cord, so no batteries, you just have to charge them up, rechargeable. So we're gonna go ahead and charge these up and test them out. I'm out here walking in my subdivision, about a half mile away from my home. I'm gonna go ahead and try to contact my wife, who's back at the house with the other walkie-talkie. Hey, can you hear me? I just got closer to the walkie-talkie.
So when you're talking, you put your mouth real close to it.
Yeah, it seems to make a difference.
Okay. Do I sound better? Because I'm putting it closer to my face.
Yeah, you sound pretty good. Oh, the other thing I like about this is it has a weather band, which is really good here in the southeast where I live. We have a lot of tornadoes here.
And north of Decatur at Pryor Field, mostly sunny and 91.
Anyway, so that's pretty good handy function as well. So pretty good little device. So I would highly recommend these. Thanks.